STEM is basically science, technology, engineering, and math. It's all about, like flying rockets, it's about pressure, it's about fun. The kids learn about how you get fire, where you get heat, you get oxygen, and you get fuel, then you get fire.
In power science, we have created activities to give them an experience they don't normally see, like the microscope to see a small world, or our air cannon to see the smoke coming out in a ring. And this is one of the few schools where they actually talk about STEM and get the message out to the teachers, to the students.
It also exposes our teachers to different ways of teaching and how to make abstract concept a reality which can be seen and felt and experienced.
They had a good time breaking their minds, the thoughts to solve mathematical problems. This is definitely our goal and our vision, that our students not only learn within the classrooms but also outside the classroom.
In the science field, it's important that we teach them from young that they need to work as a team. Because if you don't work as a team, you can't get to where you want.
And we also realize that different students have different abilities. So when they work together cooperatively, they also learn to appreciate one another.